I'm Rebecca, these are my reviews, and I have a Mint Mongoose. So, Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription where they send you 3 pieces of jewelry. They're fun. I love Mint Mongoose. I have lots of stuff from them that I wear continuously, so, you know, I don't always love everything, but it's still a fun subscription, and it's inexpensive. And I always get a Werther's. This is cute, little postcard looking thing. Okay, so this one is all about women, and there's a nice big long story on here about just, you know, the women in their lives and how this is supposed to represent all of those women and for you to know that women are rooting for you. Okay, hang on. Okay, so here is the necklace with the arrow pendant that has a bunch of little flakes in there. This is cool. It's kind of a bold statement piece kind of a thing. I like it. Ooh, and then some earrings that look like, you know, more little arrowhead shaped things. These ones are just silver though, they don't have the same color. Oh, and then this looks like it's choker size or something, right? Oh yeah, that's like nice and short. Oh, I like this. This is fun. And let me try on these earrings. Cute. Oh, I like these a lot. They're fun. Super cute. I love this month's stuff. I actually don't even know which month this is because they send these to me, but they don't send them to me every month. So I'm always like a little bit lost. Plus I never pick them up on time because I never go to the post office. This, let's see, the date on it is in July. So maybe this is July. Cute! So let me know if you guys get Mint Mongoose. Did you get this same set? And I will leave all of the information in the description box if you do want to get it. Makes a great gift. Plus it's just fun, an inexpensive way to treat yourself and to build your jewelry collection so that you have lots of fun and interesting pieces. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!